Oh, hey, have you been lurking on all of our Go SiteReady platforms but haven't yet taken the plunge and hit the free trial button? Come with me. I'll show you what to expect. Righto, hit that button. Super simple. Pop in your company name and then choose your worker and equipment count. Next, add in your personal details. This is so we know who the main account holder is. And the final step is to choose your prefix. The system will auto-generate some options based on the information that you have just provided. Nice work. While those little tech robots are busy in the background building your standalone tenancy, put your feet up, grab a snack, and check out some entertainment. Once it's built, we'll flick you an email so you can go through and set up your account. Follow the verification steps and hit complete. Log in and off you go. Not too bad, hey? I'll see you on the other side.